2010 Camaro 2SS, new edition. We have a full race exhaust, 3-inch mandrel bent. Again, compliments of Top Speed Performance. Going back to the original headers from Top Speed Performance. A little bit tainted from the heat, but that's alright. Heavy duty flanges, nice chrome finish, X-pipe, big X-pipe. Slight clearance issue on the cross member. Still fits. I cut it out a little bit and just put an insulator in there, but not really a big deal. Nothing at all. All the clamps are like a GM style clamp. Again, good clearance, nice ends. Chrome finish mufflers, 3-inch. Chrome tips, 4-inch. Exhaust system is very quiet when cruising, and when you floor it, I don't know how it works, but it turns into an open header, so it's kind of cool. Again, Top Speed Performance, good stuff.